Hey girl, hey, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today makes day 2 of my 12 days of Vlogmas series, and today's video is on alternatives that you can do to maintain yourself or to remain a high maintenance girly but on a budget, because child, in this economy we're not spending a bag anymore. We're saving our coins. We're saving the coins. So anyways, let's get into today's video. And yeah, to be honest, I think I'm one of the girlies who like to do things on a monthly basis so that on the daily I can be low maintenance. So essentially once or twice a month I'm high maintenance, and on a daily I'm low maintenance. So I like having my eyebrows done. I used to get my lashes done on a monthly basis also for like over $100 because I love the way that looked. I like to have my nails done, toes done, you know, like the works. But you guys, that's money. Like, lashes is $100, nails are about $65 to $80, toenails are like $40 right now. If you're getting your eyebrows done, that's another cost. If you're getting monthly facials, that's another cost. I'm just like, it's too much. And especially for us girlies in our 20s, I just think most of us are just getting into our career. Some of us are not even in our career yet. So I don't think we should be spending a bag just on self-maintenance, especially when, I know it's cliche, but as Kendall Jenner said, everybody's beautiful.
No one needs anything. Everybody's beautiful.
You know, but like, it's true, you know, like sometimes I don't think we have to do the most to look good. You know, obviously I think society has instilled that in us, especially as women. I'm talking so much, but before I even get into this, I also kind of want you guys to be aware that we don't always have to look like celebrities all the time. I feel like that's also where this started. Our feeling like we always have to have our lashes done, nails done, hair done, as if paparazzis are going to be on the street every day recording our lives is so unnecessary. Because most of the time we just, like for me specifically, most of the time I just go to work and then I come back home. Like, I like to look good for myself, but there's no reason for me to look like I'm going to an event, you know what I mean? So with that being said, one, you really don't have to do all of that every day. You don't have to do all this high maintenance thing and pressure yourself to look a certain way every day. But with that being said, I'm just a girl and I like to look good. I like to look cute. So every now and then we're gonna do it. But anyways, let's get into today's video and let me show you the things I do to maintain myself on a budget, because I will not be spending a bag just to make myself look good, because let's be honest, I already look good. Okay, anyways, let's get into it. I'm gonna start with nails because I think most of us get our nails done. Even in high school, I remember the girlies having like the nails tip-top shape. So I wanted to get into this first thing because also I discovered these nails a few months ago. There we go. You see how cute these look? I got my nails done in a salon last month and it was, I think, $55, but they told me it was a discount. I don't know if it was or not, but whatever. But anyways, $55, and within 2 weeks they were popping off. I was washing my hair once and then I looked down and one of my nails was missing. I found these press-ons. You see how I have a pack and I already have my nails done with the same thing? I found these press-ons when I was going to DC over the summer, and I wanted my nails to look cute, but I did not want to pay the $65 that I always have to pay. So I went to do my research and I found these BtArtBox nails. And you guys, this video is not sponsored. I have like 1,000 followers. So, you know, if I'm talking about it, it's because I really enjoy it. These are things I buy with my own money. I can show you the Amazon receipt. Okay, so these are the BtArtBox press-ons and they come with so many colors, so many designs. As you can see, I have the black ones on. These are so cute. These are green. I want to wear them for spring. This pink one was the first one I tried, and this orange one, I'm like, it's a little bright, it's giving Halloween, but still I'm gonna wear it. I don't know when. I also got red ones. The reason I have so many is because they were on sale for $9 to $10 on Black Friday, and I was just like, I'm gonna get them because I'm always buying them. But these are $15 and they legit last actual 2 weeks. Although I'll say these are the short ones. I get those short ones because I once got the long ones and they did not last. The long ones, 2 to 3 days, they were popping off. But when I put this on, the short ones, they last 2 weeks on my hands. Yeah, remove the $55 every 2 weeks payment that you're giving to these nail salons and start getting yourself some press-ons. Even if you don't get these, start trying out new ones. Look on TikTok, look on Instagram. The girlies know what they're doing, and I'm not. There's a bunch of us like this that's just going on doing things on a budget rather than spending so much money. And I think you just look into it, but if anything, you can start with these. I'll leave the link to this below so you can get into it if you want to, if you can afford it. My thing is though, if you can pay $55 and you really want your nails to look good but you don't want to continue that payment, these are a great alternative. Okay, so I wanted to jump in real quick to share today's giveaway. Ooh. If you watched the first video of my Vlogmas series, then you would know that I will be doing 3 giveaways scattered randomly throughout my 12 videos for this series. And to kick off this giveaway, I'll be giving away a $25 Amazon gift card, and it's super simple to enter. First, you have to like this video, obviously, right? Second, you definitely have to be a subscriber to this channel. Third, comment something related to comment in one of my last 3 videos, anything relating to the video that you want to comment. For example, this video is about high maintenance on a budget, so you could definitely mention one of these things that you're looking forward to, or how do you maintain yourself on a budget? I want to know, actually. You should totally comment that. And for a bonus entry, follow my new Instagram page, The Darcy Azor. I will be linking it in the description box. The 3 winners will be announced in the last video, so make sure you stay tuned and watch that video. Now for the nails part also, if you don't want pedicures, you could also be someone that just goes with your natural nails. I do that every time I take breaks. Every time I do these, I'll do it for 2 weeks, and then for the next week, I'll just wear my natural nails. Now, if you're someone who want your natural nails to grow, my tips would be to actually use strengthen oil. Those actually help to strengthen your nail beds. Make sure when you're filing or when you go to the nail salons and that they're not filing too rough and not destroying your nail beds. Also, use a glass file. Glass files are so good in shaping your, I can't open this, but there are glass files in here but I can't open it. They protect your nails much more than the regular metal ones will, so that's what I would recommend. Next thing is a pedicure. I also recommend getting your own pedicure set, and honestly, you don't need that much. You just need like a nail clipper, a file, and you already have that, a little thing to file under your feet for, you know, them little rough edges you'll be getting, and also I'll leave it here, but this ordinary salicylic acid thing also helps soften your feet. You know, lotion them up with the same lotion or body butter that you use on your skin. If you're someone who likes white nail polish, get yourself some white nail polish. But if you want options, BtArtBox nails also have reusable press-on nails. I bought these, like, I think I also bought these when I was going to DC, but I ended up just wearing my own natural nails, so I haven't actually used these. But yeah, they have them in super cute ones. But something I've actually done myself is get just regular press-ons that I can put on my toes and then just paint them. Usually I would just do it for the big toe because I feel like it's too much work to do it for the smaller one. But if it's some complex design, then maybe you could just do all of them. But for me, I think I'm pretty simple in how I like my toenails to look, just pink. I always saw celebrities with like super beautiful long lashes, and I would always wonder, how are they all born with such beautiful lashes? But apparently it was lash extensions. But anyways, I used to also get my lashes done on a monthly basis, and within 2 weeks they would still be like sparse, and I hated that. But still, I was not willing to spend like $300-400 every month. I stopped getting them done back in September or October. I think that was my last one, and I moved on to these. I have a bunch of different ones because I like trying out different things. This I haven't tried. This is the self-stick one. I haven't tried this one yet because I'm so skeptical about it, but I'm going to an event on Sunday, so I'm gonna try this tomorrow because this also says it lasts only 24 hours. So that's why I haven't tried it yet. But these, they last so much longer. I got this for literally $8.99 from TJ Maxx. If you do these really well and you spend a lot of time, you spend a few hours without wetting your eyes or your face, this will last you a really long time too. These, I got these from Sephora. These are a bit pricier. I think these were $20. These are the Velour lash extensions. But again, you don't even have to get the exact ones that I'm showing you. You can just go online, research what the other girlies are using and buy those, or try your own. I'm trying to be really cautious in spending my money in everything, so this is not me telling you to go buy stuff. I'm saying if you're someone who's already spending so much money on these things, there are alternatives that you can use to kind of minimize that cost. Next is doing your own eyebrows, because I feel like your eyebrows shape your face. And I used to get my eyebrows done all the time. I used to get them threaded. I think $10 to $20, but my eyebrows started getting so messy after that. Like, it started thinning. I say watch videos online just to see how you can do it yourself. Oh, I can even make a video for you guys. But for me, I have a few things I use when I do my eyebrows. First, a spoolie to brush them. So I'll brush them up or brush them down. Then I'll use a scissor to cut the hairs that are too long. After that, I'll pluck any extra hairs that grew outside of the line that I want my eyebrows to grow in. And then once that's done, I'll clean up the side with a little razor. And all of this might have cost me $10 to $15, but I've been doing my own eyebrows now for over a year or two. I used to do it myself, but then I stopped, and then I just started again, and it's been about a year or two since I restarted doing my own brows. And honestly, it's life-changing. I'm never going back to letting people touch my brows, because I just know, you guys, if I go bald in my brows, let's not even talk about it. Let's move on. Next thing for your face, I will say, is, you know, the mustache that we get up here. The same thing you're using to do your brows, you could also shave your mustache with, or you could also get your own waxing machine to do that with. Speaking of, moving on to the next tip, let me go get my wax kit. I don't want to go get it. I don't want to get up. Okay, I don't want to get up. I'm not getting up. Okay, so next thing I know can be pricey is the monthly waxing sessions. And also they hurt. Well, it's still gonna hurt if you do it yourself, but it's not gonna be as pricey. I've been using this wax kit I got from Amazon a long time ago. Like, it's been 3 or 4 years. I leave links below for you guys, because I don't even know if you can still find mine. That's been super useful, super helpful for me, not having to constantly waste my money. Also, I've been going back into shaving, and I don't mind it much, but I do prefer waxing, because I do prefer the way the hair grows back when I wax versus when I shave. But you can get your own wax kit on Amazon. Get your own waxes, the little stick that you use. I have everything, you guys, because, and my mother's always telling me this, and she acts like it's a bad thing. She's like, you will not let these people make money off of you. And I'm like, yeah, you darn right. Yes, you're right. I will not. Like, can you imagine how much money I would spend if I were to do like waxes? I mean, we already know it. You can watch any random video on self-maintenance and see the girlies are spending $500 to $1,000 to $2,000, and that's just not right, you guys, because men don't do that. I live with men, and the most they'll do is a haircut for like $40 to $60 every week or every 2 weeks, you know. So I just don't think it's fair, you know, like it's not fair. I don't, you know. So I even have these post-wax calming oil wipes that I use right after waxing, and it helps remove any wax residues and also kind of just like soothes it, because, you know, it kind of it hurts. It hurts. If you've ever waxed before, it hurts. I actually have a video of my first time getting wax on this channel, and I probably posted it like 5 or 6 years ago, but go watch it. It hurts. Next, moving on to teeth whitening. I feel like my teeth look pretty white. I mean, they're not like paper white, they're not like Russ's teeth white, but I feel like they're a healthy, good color. But every now and then, if I feel like it's getting to look like a corn, not that it happens, but I'm just saying, if it does, I wouldn't recommend using these all the time. I do this once a year because I don't want to weaken my teeth and make it sensitive, and this will do that to you. So this is the Crest 3D White Strips Whitening Kit. It comes with like 44 strips in there, and you essentially put them on your teeth for 30 to 45 minutes. It says to use once a day for 45 minutes. For full results, use entire kit, and you can use up to 2 kits per year. I don't do that. There's 44 strips in there. I will use half of it probably for this year, and then the other half next year. I got this for $30, so, you know, $15 a year essentially is what I'm spending, and I love that for myself. And lastly, I know hair is probably one of our biggest expenses as women. Like, I remember when I used to get my hair braided every month. I feel like that's stereotypical black girlhood. In high school, especially middle school, you don't spend time with your hair. You put your hair out on January 1st, February 1st if you remove it, February 2nd you're at the salon. Sometimes you'll be at the salon on the same day to put your hair back, and that was money. And but I do remember it was cheaper. I remember paying $75 in middle school and high school to get my hair done. I bet you can find that price anywhere in America, or maybe just in New York City. But last time I tried to get my hair done, last time I got my hair braided, it was almost $200, and you shouldn't even last more than a month. So that's something that's I've completely removed. I don't know when I would go to a professional salon again, honestly, to get my hair braided. Maybe for a trim. It would have to be like a special occasion, or I'm just like really feeling like doing so. But I'm not one to really do that anymore. I've gotten so comfortable doing my own hair. First I started learning how to box braids myself, and I used to do pretty decently. I'll show you guys some pictures of when I box braid my own hair maybe 2 to 3 years ago, and I feel like they looked pretty decent, you know, and it cost me $20-30, and that was just because of the hair. So eventually I started crocheting, and that changed my life. Like when I'm going on vacation nowadays, I crochet my own hair. If it's just summer and I want some new hairstyle, I will crochet it. Essentially, just try to get into liking crochet hair. But your second option is to get a wig that you really, really like. For me, I like curly hair. I like afro. I feel like I don't look as good with flat hair anymore, or maybe it's because I haven't worn them much. And then third, and honestly that should have been first, take care of your hair so you can wear your own hair out. That's free. That's literally free 99. Free 99 if you wear your own hair out. I spend way less money now that I don't have to go to a salon. So just get into the crochet. Just get into crochet, because you can also crochet any type of hair. Curly, straight, I've seen the girls do it all. The girlies are talented out there. So get into the videos. Like, go on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. You will learn so much. There's a reason they call it YouTube University. Some honorable mentions, and I don't know if this is gonna like ruffle some feathers, but I've seen like people with like getting like Botox and contouring, especially in our 20s. I don't know if that's necessary. I'm not a big fan of doing anything in our 20s because I feel like we haven't fully seen our full potential, you know? But you know, like you guys probably haven't even seen my final form yet. You probably haven't seen your final form. I just think in our 20s we should kind of just like relax, slow it down. We're super young. We literally just left our teenhood. There's nothing that's going to help as much as watching after your physical health, eating healthy foods, exercising, working out, not just to look a certain way, but to also help your body be strong and be resilient and boost your immune system. So with all that being said, look after your physical self. Eating healthy, working out, wear your sunscreen, and that will make a world of difference. Learn to boost your self-confidence, because that really is key. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video, which will come the next day. And the whole purpose of this 12-day Vlogmas video series is so I can give you guys some tips to help improve your life, save money, look your best, feel your best, especially going into the new year, because why not? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow.